Hi, this is Polyban Teachers and I am Sagorika Banerjee. Once again, I am back with another exciting video for the students of class 9. So today I am going to teach you The Beggar written by Anton Chekhov. This is a chapter taken from the class 9 English language and literature course. So if you can see in the on the screen, these are the topics which I will be covering today. First of all, I will tell you about the author, then the theme of the story, then I will discuss with you the value points, then reference to the context questions, and finally the competency based questions. तो ये सारे पॉइंट्स मैं आज अपने इस वीडियो में आपको बताऊंगी और इस चैप्टर को अच्छे से समझने के लिए please do watch the video till the end. So if you can see on the screen, this is about the author, and who is the author? Anton Chekhov. So Anton Chekhov was a Russian playwright and short story writer. वो Russian playwright और short story writer थे. Plays भी लिखा करते थे. His career as a playwright produced 4 classics. उन्होंने 4 classics plays लिखे थे. And his best short stories are held in high esteem by writers and critics. और उनकी बेस्ट शॉर्ट स्टोरीज अभी भी लोग critics and writers they appreciate. Now coming towards the theme of the story. This story highlights the importance of hard work and motivation. तो मोटा मोटी इस चैप्टर में थीम ऑफ द स्टोरी अगर कहा जाए तो ये इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ हार्ड वर्क यानी कि हार्ड वर्क को इंपॉर्टेंस दी जाने वाली स्टोरी है. And motivation, when you will read the story you will get motivated. It is clearly visible in the story how these values turned a beggar to a well settled gentleman. So when you read the story you will be able to understand how these values of hard working, values of getting motivated and being very sincere and honest, ये सारे वैल्यूज किस तरह से एक बेगर को एक वेल सेटल्ड पर्सनालिटी में चेंज कर देती हैं. If I talk about the value points, if you can see on the screen, this is a moral story in which an arrogant lawyer thinks that he has saved the life of a beggar by teaching him how to work for living. So ये एक ऐसी स्टोरी है जिसमें एक लॉयर जो है एरोगेंट लॉयर है और वो ये सोचता है कि उसने अपनी तरीके से एक बेगर की लाइफ को पूरी तरीके से चेंज कर दिया और उसे एक वेल सेटल्ड पर्सनालिटी बना दिया. But what exactly happens in the story? That is very interesting when we read the story. So it was that lawyer was Advocate Sergey. He met a beggar who told a lie that he had been a school teacher. तो वो एडवोकेट सर्जी जो है एक बेगर से मिलता है जो उसे झूठ बोलता है कि वो बेगर एक्चुअली एक स्कूल टीचर है. एक्चुअली दैट बेगर वाज टेलिंग अ लाई. एंड हाउ डिड एडवोकेट सर्जी नो? He came to know when he had seen this man earlier, previous day, and referring himself to be a student. और उसने पिछले कहीं एक दिन पहले उसने उस आदमी को, उसी बेगर को भीख मांगते हुए देखा था जहां उसने अपने आप को रेफर किया था कि वो एक स्टूडेंट है. So Sergey recognized that he had met him in Sadovya Street few days ago and who introduced himself as a student. Sergey warned him. तो Sergey फटाक से उसको पहचान जाता है और वो उसे वार्न करता है कि you are telling lies and if you do like this you will be caught. Finally the beggar admitted that he was lying and told that he wanted to work but nobody offered. और फाइनली एक मोमेंट ऐसा आता है जहां बेगर कहता है कि हाँ he was telling lie because people do not give him work whenever they come to know that he was actually begging, he was a beggar. The advocate gave him some work and asked him to chop the wood. तो एडवोकेट को उस पर वो सोचता है कि क्यों ना मैं इसको कुछ काम देकर इसको देखूं कि whether he is a hard working person or not. So he called him to his place and asked him to chop some woods. लकड़ी काटने का काम देता है. Olga, the maid of Sergey, helped Lashkov. Lashkov was the name of that beggar. The beggar in chopping the wood. तो जब वो चॉपिंग वुड चॉप करता है तो ओल्गा जो उन एडवोकेट सर्जी की कुक थी, मेड थी, उसे ये ड्यूटी दी जाती है कि यू गो एंड गिव द वर्क टू लश्कॉफ, और वो उसे हेल्प करती है. वंस सर्जी सेंट हिम टू वर्क टू हिज फ्रेंड बट द बेगर नेवर रिटर्न. फिर काफी दिन बीत जाते हैं. एक बार वो सर्जी जो है उसे लश्कॉफ को अपने एक डिस्टेंट फ्रेंड के पास भेजता है एंड आस्किंग हिम दैट यू विल गेट अ वर्क ओवर देयर. और उसके बाद से दिस लश्कॉफ ही नेवर केम बैक. वो वापस कभी नहीं आया. द बेगर मेट सर्जी आफ्टर 2 years. सो इट हैज बीन 2 years सिंस द बेगर मेट सर्जी. सो एक दिन क्या हुआ, 2 साल बाद this advocate Sarji, he went to watch a movie in a theater, और वहां उसे ये लश्कॉफ मिलता है. He told him now he was working as a notary and earning good. उसके ड्रेसिंग स्टाइल से वो काफी वेल टू डू पर्सनालिटी लग रहा था. तो जब बात हुई तो उसने एडवोकेट सर्जी से यही बोला कि नाउ ही इज डूइंग द वर्क ऑफ अ नोटरी एंड ही इज अर्निंग अ वेरी गुड हैंडसम सैलरी. Now Sarji thought that the beggar would acknowledge his help. एक पल को सर्जी को ऐसा लगा कि ये जो बेगर है वो उसको थैंक यू कहेगा, ग्रेटिट्यूड फील करेगा, क्योंकि इट वाज बिकॉज ऑफ सर्जी दैट ही हैज नाउ बीन एबल टू लीड अ वेरी गुड लाइफ. बट टू हिज सरप्राइज इट नेवर हैपेंड. ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ. द बेगर टोल्ड सर्जी दैट इट वाज ओल्गा हु हैड एक्चुअली सेव्ड हिम. उसने कहा वो ओल्गा ही थी जिसने उसको सेव किया, उसकी लाइफ को चेंज किया. इट वॉज शी हु बिकेम हिज इंस्पिरेशन एंड ही गॉट सक्सेस. एंड ही सेड दैट इट वॉज शी हु gave him inspiration, and finally Lashkov wanted to change. So how did she do? Whenever this Lashkov used to cut the wood, actually Olga used to do it. She used to cut the woods. All these things were told by लश्कॉफ to सर्जी. सर्जी को लश्कॉफ बताता है कि ये सारी चीजें, वो वुड्स का काटना, वो सारी चीजें एक्चुअली ओल्गा करती थी, और उसके बदले में, उसके एवज में जो पेमेंट मिलता था वो लश्कॉफ को मिलता था. दैट समवेयर इंस्पायर्ड लश्कॉफ. So this is all about the story. Now coming to the reference to the context questions, RTC जिसे कहते हैं. So I have picked up some lines from the story and framed some questions here. So the advocate Sergi looked at the sagged fawn colored overcoat of the suppliant, at his dull drunk eyes, at the red spot on either cheek, and it seemed to him as if he had seen this man somewhere before. Now the questions are name the lesson. Okay, the name of the lesson is, you can very well say it is The Beggar. What kind of a man did Sergi meet? So Sergi met a man who had drunk eyes and red spot on either cheeks. Now coming to the next question, if I talk about, this is the next question. What did he feel after seeing that man? So he felt that Sergi felt that he had seen him earlier. Okay. Next, the last question of this RTC. Find the word which means the same as one who makes the request. और यहीं पर ही ऊपर आपको RTC में एक word दिया हुआ है, that is called suppliant. That is the answer of this particular question. Coming to the next competency based short type of question. I have taken this question. Why was Sergi disgusted with the beggar? So disgusted means angry, annoyed with the beggar. Sergi was disgusted at the beggar's dishonesty because he had seen him on another street pretending that he was an expelled student in need of money, and now he claimed to be a village schoolmaster who had lost his job due to intrigues at the school. His lies disgusted Sergi. तो उसकी जो झूठी बातें थी उसकी वजह से Sergi got very much disgusted. Second question, the beggar was a liar. What two lies did he tell Sergi? दो lies उसने बोली थी. What were they? When the beggar met Sergi for the first time, he told him that he was a student and had been expelled from the college. This happened few days back. When he met Sergi for the second time, he told him that he had been offered a position in Kaluga but had no money for the fare to get there. So these were the two lies which Lashkov had told to the advocate Sergi. Question number 3, is Lashkov a willing worker? Why then does he agree to chop wood for Sergi? देखो, he wanted only to beg. He was not a willing worker. So Lashkov is not a willing worker since alcohol has made him very weak. He was an alcoholic person. It has made him very weak, and both physically and emotionally. Still, he agrees to do the menial job of chopping wood because of his pride and shame. Because advocate Sergi said that he is going to hand him over to the police. Earlier, he had expressed his willingness to do any work provided he was offered one, and now he could not go back on his words. So, prior to that, Lashkov had told that nobody gave him any work. That is why he was begging. So, when Sergi said that, okay, you do this work, he could not refuse it because he had fallen into his own trap. Now coming to the long type question, there is one long type question which I have taken. एक long type question मैंने लिया है, that is Sergi's sympathy was as important as Olga's noble deeds that reformed Lashkov. Discuss. Lashkov gave the credit of his reformation to Olga, but it is true that Sergi's sympathy towards him was also important. So we cannot deny कि सर्जी ने कुछ किया ही नहीं. ओल्गा ने तो उसकी हेल्प की, वो तो लश्कॉफ मानता है, बट एक्चुअली इफ यू रीड द स्टोरी you can very well guess that yes, Sergey has also he had sympathy for him. He wanted to do something for him, and that is why he has given him that work, and it is equally important. We cannot deny that. If Sergey had not taken the initiative to assign work to Lashkov and had instead handed him over to the police, the beggar's life would have ended in disaster. अगर सर्जी ने उसको काम नहीं दिया होता और उसे यूं ही भगा दिया होता तो बेगर की लाइफ, वो कभी ओल्गा से मिल ही नहीं पाता, वो कभी इतना हार्ड वर्क करता ही नहीं, एंड हिज लाइफ वुड नेवर हैव बीन चेंज. सर्जी लाइक Olga went out of his way to uplift the ragged beggar by making him do odd jobs and paying him in return. जिस तरीके से ओल्गा ने उसकी मदद की थी, उसी तरह से सर्जी ने भी उसे वर्क दिया at his home to cut the woods, and later on he has also sent him to his own friend for another kind of work which Lashkov could do. Sergi was not obliged in any way to spend money on a beggar in this manner, but it was his concern for Lashkov that he made sincere efforts to reform him. See, he did not want to give him any money casually. Instead, he wanted to really help him. तो उसने अपनी सिंसियर एफर्ट लगाकर लश्कॉव की हेल्प की. Sergi also arranged a cleaner employment of a copier for Lashkov by sending him to his friend. That's what I said. He had sent him to his friend and with a letter of recommendation. Again, it was Sergi who brought Lashkov to Olga. अगर सर्जी नहीं बोलता, उसको काम नहीं देता, तो how could Lashkov meet Olga? If this had not been done, Olga would not have been able to help him. Right? Hence, the contribution of Sergi in the reformation of Lashkov was equally important as that of Olga. So this was all about the this story, The Beggar. मैंने अपनी तरीके से आपको इस चैप्टर के सारे पॉइंट्स, वैल्यू पॉइंट्स, इंक्लूडिंग द इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस कर दिए इस वीडियो में. अगर आपको कहीं भी कोई चीज का प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, यू कैन जस्ट सी द वीडियो अगेन, stop it, go through the answers and can note down the value points. So that's all for today. Till I bring more videos, keep watching my channel Poly Well Teaches to get more ideas about. Bye bye.